Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to see the assignment problem number 1. A rectangular plate of side is given, resting on shorter side on the HP. So, shorter side is lying on HP and inclined at 30 degree to VP. That shorter side is inclined 30 degree to VP. Then surface inclined at 60 degree to HP. Now you assume this as a rectangular plane. So length is given as 50. Width of the plane is given as 25. Okay. When I read any problem, three conditions will be given. Surface inclination, edge inclination and the resting part of the plane. Now out of this, based on the surface inclination only you have to decide in which way you can start the diagram. Surface inclined to HP means you have to start with the top view. Surface inclined to VP means you have to start with the front view. For example, this rectangular plane is lying on HP perpendicular to VP. Now in the second diagram, I am going to rotate the front view so that plane will be inclined 30 degree to HP. So in top view, you are going to get one apparent rectangle. The final diagram, this resting edge will be inclined to VP. So it's a three-stage diagram. This is our final diagram. Front view will show apparent shape and size of the rectangle. The top view will give you the apparent shape and size of the rectangle. So you cannot draw the final front view and the top view in this orientation. So based on the surface inclination. So surface is inclined at 60 degree with the HP. Surface inclined at 60 degree to HP. So we are going to assume that surface lying on HP and start with the top view. So that's why when the surface inclined to HP, you have to start with the top view. So draw the perpendicular line. The shorter side is resting on HP. So you have to keep shorter side here. This is the shorter side of the rectangle measuring 25 mm. Longer side is measuring 70 mm. So draw the rectangle in the top view. So this angle here you have to maintain 90 degree. Now we are going to look front view in this direction. Draw the projector line through corner A and B. So your front view will be here. This corner A will be visible, corner D will not be visible when I look from here. The same way corner B is available at the front here. Corner C available at the back side. Now in the second diagram, the plane is surface inclined 60 degree to HP. That's not given. Then edge is inclined 30 degree to VP. The resting part is shorter side. shorter side is resting on HP. The shorter side is resting on HP. Since shorter side is resting on HP, we are maintaining the side here. Now when I rotate the front view, this is the initial position I have drawn here. When I rotate the front view, the shorter side will lie on horizontal plane. Now I am going to rotate this front view to the required angle 60 degree. Surface inclination is given as 60 degree. So mark one point here, draw one 60 degree inclined line. Now transfer the front view length. This front view alone I am going to rotate here. So measure the length of the front view using compass and transfer here. Same notation I am going to transfer A1 dash and B1 dash. Similarly here B1 dash and C1 dash. Now using the projection I am going to draw the apparent top view. Now extend this corner point A horizontally, A1 dash vertically, both are intersecting forming A1. Then extend the corner point B horizontally, B1 dash vertically, forming B1. Then extend the corner point C, C1 dash, forming C1. Similarly D1 dash and the corner point D. Both are intersecting, forming D1. So, we are getting the apparent top view. Now, the surface is inclined 60 degree to HP. Whatever the base side or corner you are keeping here, that will lie on the horizontal plane here. So, here we kept AD. This A1, D1 lies on the XY line, that is on the horizontal plane. So in the final diagram, what we are going to do is, this resting edge is inclined to VP. So in this position, I am getting one top view. Okay, that top view I am going to rotate. So when you rotate this top view, the plane will be tilted such that this resting edge is inclined to VP. Now, the edge is inclined 30 degree to VP. So, this is your resting edge. AC should be inclined to VP in the final diagram. Now, draw one 30 degree inclined line. Transfer AC. So, this will be your C2. And A2. So measure this AC and transfer here. Now through this mark 90 degree and draw the perpendicular line. Through this mark 90 degree and draw the perpendicular line. Now measure A, B1 and transfer here. Similarly C2 this is A, corner point A. So measure A, B and transfer. Then measure DC. It's not this D2. So transfer DC. The same top here I am going to rotate in such a way that resting edge AC, AD should be inclined to VP. Now using the projection, I am going to get the final front view. Extend A, B, C and D. Then extend A horizontally. So A2 vertically, A1 dash horizontally, forming A2 dash. Then B is here. This will be B2 dash. Then extend C2, C1 dash. This will be C2 dash. Then extend D2, D1 dash horizontally, forming D2 dash. So now you can join all the points A to B, B to C, C to D and D to E. So this is your final front view and top. So whenever you are reading the problem, always you have to look for the surface inclination. So if the surface inclined to HP, start the diagram with the top view. When you draw the top view, orientation is important. Based on the resting part condition, you have to decide the orientation. That is important. Similarly, when the surface inclined to VP means you have to start the diagram with the front view. True shape will be visible in the front view.